Right, so we are the two brothers. We're back with another stupid video. In this video, we're going to be doing the stapler roulette challenge. Basically, got 6 staplers, 2 of them with staples in. You got a dice. We got to roll the dice, see what number we get, and then we pick the stapler, and then just go and see.
From 1 to 6 from the left.
Yeah, and just see if we get stapled.
Got a hat with the body parts in to pick which body part we're going to have the stapler put in on us. Who's the winner and who's the loser?
3, 5. So you go first. Yeah, start.
Alright, first
Stapler 1. Don't look.
No, I'm not.
I'll open it up for you.
Oh, I got me here, man. Alright, as you can see, I've picked the hat. 3, 2, 1.
Check if there's any in it.
Oh, it's not
Take it out. Oh,
fuck it out. Go for it.
Number 5. Here again?
Yeah.
Is it? That fully in, yeah?
Yeah.
Is it anything?
Yes. Just stick it.
Nah, there's nothing in there.
Oh,
fuck, you have to squeeze all hard. Is it bleeding?
No, luckily not.
Oh, 1 again. Looking good.
Well, 1 on me now. You ready, yeah?
Go for
3,
it.
2, 1. Oh, you fucking swat. Ah, it's fully embedded in me now. Ah, fuck. Fuck. Shit. Shit. Fucking hell. Oh, man.
Oh, this is such a shit game, man.
This is fucking stupid.
Number 2.
This is like being on death row.
So stupid, man. Number 2.
You just know you're in for pain. It's fucking stupid. Oh, 5.
Oh, where's your foot?
Oh, where's your body?
I know, boy, I just panicked. Oh shit, I'm panicking so hard here. Nah, there ain't nothing. Nah, definitely.
We're gonna up it after the fucking 4. Oh, nah. Oh, fucking hell.
Disappeared in your hair.
Right, because there's only 2 staplers, we're gonna fucking put 1 in the 3rd one.
Yeah.
So it's 50-50 chance now.
See that. 2. Number 2, here we go. Oh, I gotta do my hand.
Do it there so you ain't got to
Yeah, on the meaty bit, it's gonna get stuck in. Fuck that. I'm going here.
straight on your vein, you madman.
That's even better. No, it's got to be done, innit? Fucking rest in peace. Ah! Fuck! Shit, that is in. Fuck! Ah!
Holy shit.
Oh, I'm full on shaking, you know.
Oh, he's back on the fight. He's back on the fight.
Back on my fight, man.
Oh, come on then, hopefully this one. This one's got some staples in.
Was it?
Yeah.
Fucking hell,
Like
this
the
is so
pine.
scary.
There's
Nothing. I'm fucking boss at this.
I'm
I'm so fucking lucky at this game.
Fucking, I just know I've got staplers. Underarm. No, fuck's sake. Oh,
Yeah, we
fuck
got
that. Nah.
I thought you had it.
Give some pain, I want you to do it for. You've been lucky, you like.
5.
Knee. Yes.
Fucking kneecap, man. What is this
Oh, look at
bullshit?
it.
Come on then.
I'm shaking, man.
Do you want me to do it? I'll read it
Nah.
happily.
Oh, fucking oh, that didn't hurt till I actually see it.
Oh, stay still, we gotta get it.
Oh my god, man.
Give it the old pull out.
Ah, it's full on fucking breaded in my ears.
Oh, look how red he's gone.
I nearly passed out, you know, when I looked at that.
Yes.
What a fucking dumb game, you know. What an actual dumb
My
game.
hand's fucking on fire. shit.
Number 4 I've got. Oh, I want to get 4 red, man, just look crack.
Yeah, yes! Oh,
What number did we
yeah! Yes!
Yeah, go on. Just
Hey, nah, I feel like I'm gonna faint, you know, doing this one.
Go on then, just do it.
Go
It's
on.
gonna fucking kill,
Nah,
innit?
just do it.
It's not like that nail, innit, though? Nah,
just
oh, I can't come to press it. Fuck's sake, man. Is it in? It's full on through my fucking ear, innit?
Let's have a look.
Oh, no, that stings so bad, you know.
Oh,
How the fuck am I getting that out of my ear?
Nasty.
Oh, I'm leaving it in there, man. I'm full on fucking
You got
leaving that in there.
it set up a new joke and that in it.
Oh, you know how it goes in through a piece of paper though, and it's full on like clips so you can't undo the piece of paper unless you break it. That's what it's done in my ear. It's full on bent around in
Oh,
my
I'm
ear,
so
man.
glad you got rid of me.
Nah, that's the only place you can fully
Oh,
pierce
fuck
though.
me. Oh no. On the fucking chin. 2, 1. Oh, I don't even want to do it.
Come
I
on,
don't
go.
even want to do it. I'm so
just go
scared.
for it, man.
3, 2, 1.
Nothing there.
No, it's empty.
Oh, you.
Oh, what you doing is more go, you don't.
Oh yeah.
Number
I wanted
6.
another go. I got eager.
Did you shake them up?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I've mixed them up. Back of the neck. Yeah.
What a
with
fucking
number
dumb
6.
place.
No, you're bleeding.
So, look how bad I'm bleeding already. Am I bleeding? Because I've got fucking blood on my fingers.
Nah, that's funny on the spot, that is. Oh, we pull it out then. Let me catch it. Oh, shit, Shane.
Bum cheek.
Bum cheek, man. Who put that in there? It has, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, that ain't gone in.
Oh, you gotta do it again then.
It's not going. What the fuck? I've got an eye on the cheek, man. It just bends on my cheek. That one's
Oh,
in.
that was it.
Oh, it's a beauty.
Ah, you fucker.
Well, look for the end of it. Also, pick up 3 of these. Each.
Nah, just find 3.
3 staplers each.
Yeah.
Straight on the forehead. All 3. Nah.
Oh,
Yeah, I thought it was empty. Fuck man, I can feel it now.
I can't even get on camera.
Can you see it in my forehead?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I'm just stuck. Fuck, the pain.
No.
Oh, no.
So look, that one's fully bent in your head. You got one?
Start shines free.
How fucking dumb is this, or who actually does this shit? You ready?
Mine's still stuck in my head.
Fucking hell, just rest them on your head,
Oh
look.
no, yeah. Nah, you're alright.
That one, oh my.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. No, you just played it, it must have pulled back out.
Oh, I feel like I hear that shaking.
Yeah.
I'm full on shaking that bad, look. Honest to God.
Good.
Is that it? No.
Yeah, sorry, turn and look.
Is it in?
Yeah, well, it's stay there. Oh, look at me, proud. Oh, it's brilliant.
Oh, look at the state of that head, man. Oh, look at that, it's full on in.
As you can see. Ah, fucking hell. Oh, look at the blood. Look at the blood. Oh, your turn.
Oh, look how far that is in, you know. I can't, I've got no fucking nails, I can't get it.
Oh, my head's pissing.
I've got to use another nail.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Your head's pissing.
Oh, look at that, you know. That's full on bent in my head.
Oh, you get the one out your ear.
Oh, look how mangled that is.
Get the one out your ear. Oh, look, I've been stabbed up.
Oh, shit. Full on mad, you know.
Oh, you get the one out your ear then.
Is that bending it out?
Yeah,
You best to pull it out from the back.
I've got to straighten them first.
What is going on in that ear? Oh, I need to lean,
You've
man.
gone right in.
I know, I need to lean, I feel like I'm going to pass out. Ah, what you doing? What you doing, Mom? No.
Yeah, so
Right, so that's a stapler roulette challenge. If you hope you enjoyed the video, if you do, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you liked it, enjoyed it.
share it everywhere you can. If we get over 100 subs by the end of the month, Giant's going to annihilate his lip to a piece of wood.
Just for the crack of it. Nice one.